Can the life hacks from TikTok be trusted? Of course not. Today, we will try to find the ones that actually work. Hello, it's Lab Rats. We have found some interesting videos using hashtag lifehack, and now we will check them. And the very first life hack will be this trick with an egg, Coke and sugar. See for yourself what should come of it. So, put the egg in a bowl. We are using exactly the same kind with a dark shell. Pour cola over. As the video shows, part of the egg is not immersed in liquid. Now in goes a bag of sugar. Stir the egg a bit so that the sugar gets into the cola. Cover the bowl with a sheet of paper and wait for 24 hours. Well, did this egg become as soft as in this TikTok? As you can see, not really. The part that was submerged in Coke turned a little darker. And now this coating can be removed with just a finger. The first life hack from TikTok turned out to be fake. Its author just replaced an ordinary egg with an anti-stress toy. Let's get going with the second video. Everything is simple here. Ground pepper is poured into the tinted liquid. It floats on the surface. And after adding liquid soap, the pepper floats to the edges of the plate. First we tint a small amount of water with a blue dye. Pour it into a plate and mix a little. Now add black pepper. Most of it is floating on the surface of the water. It doesn't react to a finger in any way just yet. Well, let's put some liquid soap in a separate container. Dip your finger and everything worked out. Indeed, this life hack is a success. What's left is to figure out how it can serve a purpose in your life. The next life hack also looks more like a magic trick than something actually useful. Everything looks very simple. Let's check. Pour the most ordinary water into a small glass. Then we take nail polish and pour it on a surface of the water. A couple of drops of nail polish are drowning in water. We set fire to the nail polish that floats on the surface. It lights up a flame that is almost invisible. And it goes out very quickly. Using a napkin, remove the burned nail polish and repeat the experiment with more polish. This time, the flame is more visible. After 20 seconds, the flammable substance from the polish burns out. If you want to recreate this experiment, remember about safety rules when experimenting with fire. The next life hack is much more useful. A drop of water should turn a regular phone camera into a lens for taking macro photos. The subject for this experiment will be the iPhone 11. It has 3 camera lenses and it is unclear where to drip water. But let's try it. As it is done in TikTok, I'll try to add a drop of water with my finger. As you can see, this is not very convenient. We remove excess moisture and try again, but this time adding water with a pipette. It turned out much better. Let's try to take a macro picture. Oops! Attempt number 2, and again. The drop falls on the table. Maybe the iPhone cameras are too large for this life hack. Let's try to do the same with a phone that has a smaller camera. Hooray! Drop stays on it. Testing our macro lens. This life hack doesn't seem to work. The picture is hazy, at least on this phone. Write in the comments if this method with a water drop has worked for you. The next life hack is also connected with the photography. Take a look at what a beautiful glare can be made using a regular match. Let's find out. Is everything so simple? Now you see a lit match close to the lens. And this is the result of the photo shoot. So far, nothing particularly beautiful has been obtained. We will experiment with lighting. Maybe if there is less light, then the result will be better. Finally, we completely turned off the lighting and maximally opened the aperture on the camera. And here is the result. Only when the match began to go out did a beautiful glare turn up. And finally, we'll check this life hack with a bar of chocolate. Will this method work with other chocolate? First, mark the line diagonally from the corner of the piece. Now you can cut it. Next, cut off the strip from the cut part. The chocolate got broken, but that won't hinder us. Now we remove one rectangular piece from this cut off part. That's it. Assemble the chocolate bar back like a puzzle. A little crooked, but it still has worked out. On our channel, we're in a constant mode of experimentation. Subscribe if you want to know what really works, because we will check it for you. Do not forget to smash thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon!